Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today is a super special little Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. If you guys missed it at the beginning of the month, my brother helped me unbox my PR Ipsy Glam bag and my boxycharm by Ipsy, and we mentioned through that video that he ended up getting an Ipsy subscription to help me out and get my points, and he totally forgot to cancel that subscription. So he obviously has been giving that to his daughter every month. But you guys commented on that video and you guys wanted to see some of his Ipsy Glam bags. So he saved one and he brought one for us to check out. Oh, I see a brush right on top, y'all. This is from November. And the very first thing is a Beauty For Real brush. I'm not going to open this because not only do I have one, I have two of these brushes. And it is absolutely phenomenal. It is the Beauty For Real concealer brush. It is a beautiful deep dark chocolate brown, a little bit of weight to it. Love the length of it. It's fantastic. It's incredibly soft. I use this all the time to apply either concealer or my eye primer. I also got one in my paid for bag, so I love it. I'm going to put this to the side for, you guessed it, for you guys. Next up, we'll go into the bag. Next up, we have the Estate Precision Liquid Liner in Midnight Blue. I never see blue. That is pretty dang on cool. Next up is an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Unzipped. So very makeup heavy, which is my niece's preference. Next up is the Tartelette Tubing Mascara. This is a favorite of mine. I really, really love this mascara. And last but not least, in our super sneaky little surprise Ipsy, is the Cosmetic Pressed Shimmer Powder in the shade Autumn. And it gives us the information about all of the products in the bag. So I think that if you are a makeup heavy fan, like my niece obviously is, then you would have loved this bag. And the bag itself I loved as well. Like, this is one of my favorite bags of the year. It's super soft and quilted, and we could have gotten pink or purple. So that was our super special little quick Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. You guys had a blast with my brother and I. We do intend on hopefully getting some filming done during his duration of time here, but I have so many pre-filmed and like mapped out and planned out videos through my Vlogmas, my 31-day marathon. So if we film now, you'll see those kind of after the fact. You won't see those till probably the new year, unless we decide to go live. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see, and what would you like for us to do. Comment down below. That's it for today. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your best beautiful. Bye beauties.